Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's sure to capture the attention of farming enthusiasts, agricultural professionals, and anyone who appreciates powerful machinery. Our focus is on the Belarus 510 luxury tractor, a machine that blends exceptional performance, modern features, and rugged design to make farming tasks more efficient and enjoyable. The Belarus 510 luxury tractor is a part of the globally renowned Belarus tractor series, manufactured by Minsk Tractor Works (MTZ). Known for their reliability, durability, and adaptability to various agricultural needs, Belarus tractors have built a reputation as trusted workhorses across the world. The 510 model, in particular, stands out for its innovative features and thoughtful design enhancements that make it a premium choice for farmers who prioritize both productivity and comfort. One of the standout aspects of the Belarus 510 luxury tractor is its robust engine. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine, this tractor delivers impressive torque and horsepower, enabling it to handle a wide range of farming applications, from plowing and tilling to hauling and planting. The engine's efficiency ensures reduced fuel consumption, which is a critical factor for farmers looking to optimize costs without compromising performance. Beyond the engine, the Belarus 510 luxury tractor offers a transmission system designed for smooth operation and adaptability. With multiple gears to choose from, operators can easily adjust the tractor's speed and power to suit the specific demands of the task at hand. This versatility is particularly beneficial for large-scale farming operations where different activities require varying levels of precision and power. Comfort and ergonomics are central to the design of the Belarus 510 luxury tractor. The spacious cabin is equipped with advanced features to enhance the operator's experience. Adjustable seating, intuitive controls, and excellent visibility ensure that farmers can work for long hours without discomfort or fatigue. Additionally, the cabin is designed to minimize noise and vibration, creating a quieter and more stable environment for the operator. Durability is another key feature of the Belarus 510 luxury tractor. Constructed with high-quality materials and a sturdy frame, this tractor is built to withstand challenging terrains and tough farming conditions. Its reliability means less downtime for maintenance and repairs, which translates to greater productivity and efficiency on the field. What truly sets the Belarus 510 luxury tractor apart is its commitment to innovation and sustainability. As agriculture evolves, so does the need for environmentally friendly machinery. This tractor is designed with eco-conscious features, including lower emissions and improved fuel efficiency, making it a smarter choice for modern farmers who aim to reduce their environmental footprint while maximizing output. The Belarus 510 luxury tractor isn't just a machine, it's an investment in the future of farming. Its blend of power, comfort, and advanced features ensures that it meets the needs of today's farmers while preparing them for the challenges of tomorrow. Whether you're managing a small family farm or overseeing a large agricultural enterprise, the Belarus 510 luxury tractor is a partner you can rely on. That wraps up today's look at this impressive piece of machinery. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Belarus 510 luxury tractor, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on advanced farming equipment and technology. See you in the next video.